Prologue. I have lived long enough to watch kingdoms rise and crumble, to see peace turn to ash. But every story, even mine, began the same way. It began with a cauldron, a black vessel held by glowing, slender hands, suspended in an endless night. When it tipped, golden light spilled into the void. Not flame, not fire, but something alive. Where it touched, the world awoke. Mountains rose, seas formed. The wind drew its first breath. Magic spread, wild and untamed, shaping everything it found.